Do you know how to know if your pregnancy is ectopic?
A woman can't know for sure, but if she is in the early stages of pregnancy and feels like her appendix has burst, there is a fair chance it is an ectopic pregnancy.
I don't get the connection.
An ectopic pregnancy is one that has rooted in the ovaries or fallopian tubes, instead of the uterus. The baby starts growing somewhere where there is no room for it.
The doctors can take care of pregnancies like that these days.
There are rare cases of ectopic pregnancies, where the baby implants on the outside of the uterus or in the abdomen, where there is sufficient blood flow and the body can expand. However, in most cases, the ectopic pregnancy expands like a balloon until it damages surrounding tissues.
The pain
and the bleeding.
How is it treated?
Doctors used to only be able to perform surgery in those cases where the woman didn't naturally abort the fetus. Now they can give methotrexate in many cases to force an abortion, instead of performing surgery.
What causes ectopic pregnancy?
Using an IUD, having had a tubal ligation, and having pelvic inflammatory disease all increase the risk. But the risk is still small.
Do doctors ever mistake an ectopic pregnancy for something else?
It could be mistaken for appendicitis or a digestive tract problem, especially if the woman doesn't realize she is pregnant. Fortunately, a sonogram or other scan to determine the problem will reveal it is an ectopic pregnancy, in the vast majority of cases.
Yeah, you don't need an appendectomy and then have to go back for second surgery.
I guess it would be as frustrating as the British guy who had his appendix out twice. And he was left wondering what on earth they took out the first time.
One of those NHS horror stories?
One of. At least with an ectopic pregnancy, even after surgery, you'll still have the remaining ovary and fallopian tube.
And a chance to try again.
Which is more than Mr. Two Appendectomies could say, which is why he lost his job the second time he brought in a note saying that's why he had missed work.